Alright, bud. You want me to give you a little push? Okay.
Ooh, that could be interesting. It's like a face plant.
You did good, Adam. We thought you might get your face in the snow.
Shut.
It's interesting how different these two kids are.
Go
Yeah.
back.
I think Lucy likes you, Ethan.
Okay, I'll hold you. Okay. Look at Richard. Wait.
Ethan.
No. Look at my face.
What's wrong with your face? You're fine.
That was.
Lucy.
I don't want to do that.
Lucy.
You don't want to go first.
Lucy. 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 Come here.
Good run,
Come here.
Adam.
Lucy. Lucy.